The following is a brief overview of some of the administration functions that can be performed within the Conformity System Administration console. What you're looking at is the System Administrator view of the Conformity environment, which includes the series of applications that are being managed for this particular tenant, how the managed users are applied across the various applications, and a series of tasks that have been given to this particular system administrator. These tasks have originated in Active Directory for this tenant. Conformity has the ability to filter these tasks based on deactivation events, provisioning events for new users, and any kind of change events related to changes in the identity of the particular users being managed. What we're going to do is actually act on these tasks. In this particular case, we'll select a deactivation event. This will pull up the related identity information for this particular user, along with the particular applications that this user has access to. So Google Apps, Quick Arrow, Salesforce are applications that this user has been provisioned into in the past. We are going to deactivate them out of these applications. We get a confirmation screen that shows the applications and the relevant information. And through a series of essentially one click, we now have triggered a set of deactivations that are pending in the systems. These will be processed by Conformity as it interacts with the various applications. We will get confirmation from the applications once the deactivations have been completed, and the number of users associated with the particular applications will be updated. Another type of event is a provision event, and if we jump into a provision event, this is a way that we would actually assign a new user to a particular profile within Conformity. So if we take a look at this particular user, Robert Maddox, we see that he is a sales rep, part of the Worldwide Sales Organization, so we will associate him with a sales profile that will give him a set of applications that we have assigned to the sales profile. So in this particular case, we have three default applications: Google Apps, Salesforce, and Exactly, which are automatically assigned to him. We can also select one of the optional applications such as NetSuite to provision him into that application also. And if we go forward in the task, we now are presented with the application-specific attributes that need to be set. In this case, they are pre-populated with the information that we've already extracted from Active Directory. We can apply those provisioning changes to those various systems, and we have these pending activities down here. As they complete, you'll notice that we get notification of the provisionings being completed. We can also jump in and view a report that shows the details of those changes. In this particular case, you have who the action was performed on, who performed the action, specifically what applications were affected, and the specific changes that have taken place. If we go back to the dashboard, we can now see those tasks have completed. We have updated the applications for the appropriate new users we've just added, and we can go in and do a update event, and this shows you information that's currently in Conformity, the new changed information highlighted that's coming in Active Directory. If we apply those changes, we see an overview of the identity information and the specific changes into the applications that we want to process. We can review that information one last time, apply that change, again updating the user's identity in the appropriate applications, updating the number of users in the account, getting a verification that in fact those have completed successfully, and a complete audit trail behind the process through reports we can run or the real-time event viewer. Again, we'll take a look at the user change report, and you can see that that person now has been provisioned appropriately and changed into the appropriate applications with that updated information. I hope that this quick overview has provided you with a little insight with some of the capabilities that are available through Conformity's products. If you'd like additional information, please feel free to visit us at www.conformity-inc.com. Thank you.